Hey guys, it's Liv and welcome back to another Weekly Liv video. I have a feeling that we're nearly up to Weekly Liv 40. I don't think it's Weekly Liv 40 this week, but we're getting close, which is quite exciting and also scary. Fork! Holy guacamole, you guys, I'm actually blind. I hope you guys enjoyed that really quick outfit clip. Normally I would explain what I'm wearing, but my flatmate doesn't work Mondays, but she drops Corpu off at work, so she was back in bed. But this is from Cotton On. My jeans are Kmart and my Allbirds are literally the exact same color as this jumper, and I find that very, very satisfying. I bought this for $10. You guys would have seen it in last week's vlog if you saw it. I hauled it right at the very end. I am legit so excited today because I have so much food. I have oats, I have a really hearty lunch, and I have it's even heartier than last time I had it because I made chickpeas to go with it. You guys, I'm gonna be so full and I'm really excited. The only thing is that I've just realized that I forgot to make my protein shake to have after school because I do have a meeting, so I'm not quite sure what I'll have after school. I also tried a new overnight oats recipe this week. Last week I had chia pudding, as you guys saw, but this week I decided I wanted to go for overnight oats just because they're a little bit higher in protein depending on how you make them, a little bit more filling and a little bit more carb heavy rather than, I think there's more fats in chia pudding. Good morning guys, I am squatting down and it really hurts. It's Tuesday and I thought I would give you guys a body update. Let me know if you think I look different. If I don't look different, that's cool. I just thought I would do one. I just finished doing booty at the gym, so my bum might be slightly more peachy than usual. But anyway, this is us today. I don't really know how to do these, but I just thought I may as well include these in my vlogs for those of you who care. Biceps. I can't. Triceps. How do you show triceps? I don't have any triceps. That's the joke. Like I said, I just finished at the gym and now I'm about to go hop in the shower and get ready. I am so tired. I am less tired than I was the last time that I was complaining that I'm tired in the vlogs. That was a mouthful. I figured out it's just because it's the end of term and Corpu and I'm so sorry, what's wrong with my camera? Corpu and I have been playing a lot of World of Warcraft and we haven't been sleeping very much. By the way, this bruise, in case you're wondering, is from when I was at the supermarket with my flatmate. And we're both really short. She's actually shorter than me, and I jumped to reach something on the top shelf and I came down on the shelf and yep, really hurt. So it's time for today's outfit of the day, and this is exactly the same jumper as yesterday, but it's pink. Oh god, I don't know if I can actually wear this. This is so bright. This is so not my kind of outfit. Anyway, got that with the black jeans today. And I'm just gonna go grab my shoes that I wanna wear. Gonna go with these, even though they probably clash, but I don't care. I feel like this looks brighter on camera, although I am gonna tell myself that so that I can actually wear it. I don't know why I bought this color. This was the last color that they had in my size. I get these in a medium because they are cropped. As you can see, if I raise my arms, you can see my entire tummy. And the small looked like it was gonna crop to here, and I'm like, this is not school appropriate, so went with the medium. By the way, you guys, I did enjoy my overnight oats from yesterday. Today I made them the same base recipe. I just put in another teaspoon of sweetener. I use this sweetener, let me show you, just in case you guys, oh god, I thought this was the empty one, but it's the full one. It's just Natvia, which I'm pretty sure is just stevia. You guys, I am making my current favorite guilty pleasure, and it is Vegemite and cheese wraps that I kind of just roll up like this and then I toast, and it's just delicious and there's no substance to it. But if I'm craving something unhealthy, this is what I make. So I just get my Vegemite and I spread it all over my wrap. These are mountain bread rice wraps, by the way, so there's barely any carbs in this. Not that I really care about carbs, but you know, this week I'm having lots of carbs because I'm having my oats and they are pretty carborific. Obviously, gotta lick the knife. And then weighed out here, I've got 40 grams of cheese, which I'm just going to evenly sprinkle. I was inspired by this because one of my kids from school has this for lunch sometimes, and I'm so jealous every time. Although I think this kid has Marmite and I'm not a Marmite fan, but same idea. And you guys probably can't tell, but that's what it looks like. And then I just fold it over into thirds like a poor man's wrap, and then you put it in the pan and you toast it and heat up the cheese, and it's delicious. This is legit the saddest looking wrap, but it's so good. That's my go-to flavor. So good. Happy Wednesday. Yes, again, I forgot to vlog in the afternoon. You guys, I get home from work and I am like completely just so tired. I did go to Kmart and pick up some clothes for my Kmart haul. I'm doing like a $250 Kmart haul, and I'm going to try everything on. I haven't tried anything on yet. I have an online order arriving today of some stuff that I couldn't actually get in stores when I looked for it, and just some other things that I thought was cute, so I'll be filming that this weekend. But I'm so gutted because I was supposed to be going out for dinner tonight with one of my friends, Philippa, if you're watching, I'm so sorry. I just had to text her to say, look, can we reschedule, because I'm honestly so tired. Like, I barely could get out of bed this morning, but I still managed to go to the gym, but honestly it was a struggle. By the way, this is my outfit of the day. Super basic, just my blue jeans, my green Allbirds, and then just this top from Kmart, which is really simple, and I'm just gonna wear it with a big school jacket. What's up guys, it is Wednesday afternoon and I messaged my friend and she actually forgot that we were going out for dinner, and she was also really exhausted, so she was happy to reschedule. So I will take you guys along when we do eventually end up catching up. But I've got my protein shake to go today because I'm going to pick Corpo up from work, and then we're going to have Uber Eats for dinner. I think we may go somewhere like for a really early dinner in the city, but I don't think we will. I think we'll just come home and get Uber Eats. This is mine, and oh my gosh, yours looks amazing. What is it? Stand by your lamb. It's Stand by your lamb. Thanks for playing to my vlog cards. Happy Thursday guys. I just got home from the gym. I actually couldn't do my full workout because I have a really early work meeting. I do not have that much time because I need to go get ready for said meeting. So I didn't have time to do makeup again today, although I feel like I look better in real life with no makeup, but on camera I look dreadful. That's how I really look. I'll be so sad. By the way, I have so much stuff for my Kmart haul. I've got this whole great big bag of clothes that I ordered online, and then I bought some stuff in store. This is my outfit of the day. Normally I wouldn't wear the same jumper 3 times in a week in 3 different colors, but they're new, so I thought, why not? And then I'm just wearing black jeans and my peacock Allbirds. Hey guys, I just got home from work and I thought, seeing as I am prepping my overnight oats for this week, I thought I would show you guys. I think I've perfected the recipe. It is not a super sweet recipe, so if you wanted it to be sweeter, I guess you need to change up the amount of sweeteners you use, but it is fairly simple. I will put the macros over here for you guys if you wanted to know, but let's make it. I'm excited. So I like to do the wet ingredients first because I feel like that helps it mix better. So I'm going to use a cup of almond milk. I just bought the Pam's brand from Pack and Save because it was on special, and I'm also going to use a third of a cup of Greek yogurt. I use this Yoplait one because it's got extra protein. This is a little bit past its use by date, so it's very, very watery. And now for the almond milk. So I have, like I said, half a cup. I guess you could use like coconut yogurt or co-yogurt, whatever you want to call it. But like I've told you guys many times, I'm not dairy free. I just try to like reduce my cow's milk intake, but I still have like cheese and processed stuff from cows, which I don't know. I love milk. I would drink cow's milk, but it's just quite fatty. Then my next step is the flavoring. I always put my dry stuff in last, but I put my flavoring in now so that I can mix it up evenly. So I just use cacao powder, and I use about 2 like generous teaspoons. And for sweetener I use this Natvia, and I've decided that 3 is kind of the golden amount, but I use 3 teaspoons of this. So I just kind of mix it a little bit before I put the oats in, and then I'll put the oats in and mix it again. I just use 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Now today I had only like a quarter cup of oats and I did 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, and that worked really well. It was kind of like a chia pudding with oats. That was quite yum. My camera just died in true Olivia fashion, but I just mix it up and then it kind of looks like this, like really thin, and then by the morning I would get you a clip, but I'll be at school, but it's just like super thick and dense and really, really yum. Good morning guys, it is Friday and I wanted to show you my outfit of the day. Now I need to preface this with an explanation, so actually while I'm prefacing I need to go open my curtains, but my kids earned a mufti day because they've been really amazing, so we're having a themed mufti day today, and I was pushing for pajama day, and my kids didn't want pajama day, they wanted princesses and superheroes, so I found a loophole and I am the princess from The Princess and the Pea. So yeah, I get to wear pajamas to work today. I'm just wearing like a black long sleeve tucked in, and then when I take this off I can untuck it. I just want to look semi-normal with pajama bottoms. These are from Peter Alexander. I know I'm showing you my butt, but it's the easiest way that I can show you. It's just like really cute, what are they called? Oompa Loompas. And I'm just wearing my pink Allbirds, which kind of clash, but I think I'm gonna pull these up my leg a little bit. So they're like this, and then the pink's not so close. But yeah, I'm so excited. I do have a pair of jeans in the car to change into if I go anywhere after work. Hey guys, it is Saturday morning and I just want to apologize for the lack of vlog clips this week. I've just been really, really tired and I've genuinely forgotten to go and pick up my vlogging camera. Normally, like, I'm constantly thinking about vlogging and like what my next vlog clip's gonna be and all of that sort of thing, but I've just been so tired this week that I just completely forgot, so I apologize. So I just finished filming my Kmart haul and I'm so exhausted, but it was such an awesome video. I'll leave it linked off down below because I'm pretty sure it'll be up before this one. I love so much of the stuff that I got. There are a couple of items that I wasn't too sure on, so hopefully you guys will tell me what you think. But I don't know if Corby's ready to be picked up yet, but I'm just going to quickly just chuck my hair in a bun because it's oily at the back. It was all a facade. I didn't actually realize that it was oily at the back, so you could probably see all the oily bits in the video, which is not ideal, but whatever. I am just going to get ready, drink my pre-workout, which I just have every day because it's like a nice energy boost, and then I'll probably just go get Corpu from this event. He might not be ready to come home yet. I'll find out, but I am hungry, so I'm probably just going to eat my leftover pasta that I was going to have yesterday for lunch, but I didn't end up having. It's just that lemon pesto pasta that I make sometimes. So it's Sunday and I haven't vlogged all day. I just got into bed. It's like nighttime. I'm going to sleep. It's not like I got into bed and it's the morning. No, it's nighttime. And I'm just coming on because I wanted to let you guys know why I didn't vlog today. This morning I woke up and I was all good. Went to the gym and I just did like 20 minutes of like a a very harsh incline walk. And that was all good. Felt awesome. And then we went to the supermarket, and then on the way home I started feeling really dizzy, and I was dizzy like all day, like really like head spinny, lightheaded, like when I leant over I'd like nearly fall over, like all day. And then I started feeling a little bit better in the afternoon, so I meal prepped. Then yeah, it's just been here all day until like after dinner probably, I'd say. So I went in the shower, washed my hair. And yeah, it was really, really weird, but I didn't think to vlog because I just was feeling off, and I didn't have very good sleep last night, which sucks because I usually have my best sleeps on Saturday night, if that makes sense. So next week is the last week of term and I'm sure I will be in much better spirits, but yeah, I did just want to come on and finish the vlog off even though it's been all over the place. I hope you guys liked seeing the outfits in this video. I enjoyed showing them. I will continue to do that. I'll do that again this coming week. And yeah, I'm just watching some Instagram stories and I'm gonna go to sleep. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to give it, I can't do a thumbs up otherwise I'll lose my place on the story, but give it a thumbs up. And yeah, thank you guys, and I'll see you really soon with another video. Bye.